Hello everyone and welcome back to another J-Rock video. So here today we are going to be doing a little unboxing video. It's just going to be pretty straightforward and it's just showing you what's inside this Ego multi-tool kit. So this one here is the 56 volt multi-tool power head, the 38cm line trimmer attachment, the multi-tool brush cutter blade, hedge trimmer attachment, pole saw and the edger. And here is a little list below. I believe within this comes a battery and charger as well. So as we open this up, and this is first time opening this box, this is what you are greeted with. One thing I really like with these Ego boxes when you open them up is it shows you every tool that they currently distribute. Everything from the backpack harnesses there, the backpack blowers, chainsaws, snow blowers, absolutely everything. So here we go, here is everything that comes within the box. So starting off, we have got hedge trimmer attachment, which looks fantastic. We've got the pole saw. I believe this is a tiny bit smaller than the one that you get with the PX1000, what is the telescopic pole saw that you can get, which I've got just over there. I'll show you that. So here we go on the top here, I've already got the PX1000 telescopic pole saw hedge trimmer, and over here you can see this is the PX1000 and this one here is the one that we get with the multi-tool. Very similar in height, actually, very similar lengths. Doesn't seem to be much difference whatsoever. I believe that's the exact same bar on both as well, and it looks like the same amount of oil goes into both as well, so not much difference between them two. Going on from there then, you get a strap. I've always just kind of chucked these, to the back of the shed somewhere thinking, I won't really need them. But using some of the items like the PX1000, heavy bits of kit, so when you're using them for a long time, it's pretty good just to chuck underneath the van seat or on the back of the van, just in case you are doing a very long job and it's going to just burn out your shoulders the whole day. With it, we get the 5 amp battery. What's just inside? I'll quickly open that up. Brand new, obviously, but this is what I really like with these batteries, or with these kits in fact, is that you get a battery with them. One thing that drives me towards Ego is the fact that the price point is so much nicer. You go for a multi-tool of any other brand, you're like £300–400 for the unit itself battery wise, and then I mean, these batteries themselves are over £200 and the whole kit comes in around 700. I'll get the exact price just up here, and it's just one of them that to have within and just be able to get this as a kit and off you can go straight away, I think is a massive positive. Next from that then, we have the strimmer head. So this will be sitting on the tool probably most of the time. The ideal reason why I really want this is the fact that it's going to replace the Husqvarna one that I currently have. The Husqvarna one is great, but I'm looking forward to using this with all the tools and having it fully kitted out for anything that I may need. So yeah, straight shaft, same as what you basically expect with any other main sort of commercial strimmer that you're going to be using. Got an edger. Now this is another thing that, again, it looks the same as all the others really. There's nothing majorly different, although by the looks of it, you've got the tightening wheels on the side of the wheel there, what is very useful to have, and it's a sturdy bit of a kit. My, again, problem with this on other brands is the fact that when you go and you buy the power unit themselves, these are like another £250 on top, or very close to 200 quid-ish. So by the time you add up all these extra parts, it costs you a fortune. So I think these kits are brilliant to have. Now, possibly most importantly, out of these kits is now the powered head. Very similar to their mainline strimmers. So it's got a good weight to it, a nice rubber handle, what I kind of like the feel of. The safety switch, which is on the side here, is in a lot better place than some. I think my only issues usually with these is that they're quite stiff triggers, so it does take a while to break them in or get used to. I think you may be able to replace the springs and have it slightly of an easier sort of trigger, but as it is, it's a good weight, it looks good, and yeah, obviously most important part, because without it none of this is going to work. You've also got the strimmer cover, obviously, to go on top of the strimmer, and you've also got your D handle. But again, on this one, it's a bit scratchy, a bit plasticky. I do like to see more of a rubberized grip around the top. But, you know, as it is for just holding, you're going to be wearing gloves and stuff, it'll be absolutely fine. So that is to go on as well. And through, you also get a little tool set. Obviously, you'll be able to put it all together. What comes with an Allen key. It comes with a changeover of, if I can get this out, the base plate within the strimmer there, so that you can change it over from a strimmer over to a brush cutter. So 3-blade brush cutter here, which is pretty fantastic. These sort of things, in my experience, kind of cut through anything that you need them to. They're brambles, other vegetation that is slightly thicker that your strimmer's not going to be able to bite through. So again, fantastic. But them two need to go alongside each other, because that is what's going to assist you getting it from a strimmer head over to a brush cutting head. Keep them handy. Last but not least here is your quick charger. Okay, so your rapid charger, which is the CH5500E. Okay, these are pretty brilliant. It seems to charge the batteries. These are pretty quick depending on which battery you're using. Personally, I've got a couple of 5 amps, a 4 amp on its way, and I use a 12 amp as well. Even the 12 amp battery charges pretty quickly. You know, it's within a couple of hours. So yeah, all these together is absolutely fantastic. And there we go then. So that is the full kit there, hung up on the wall, ready to go whenever we may need it. So this is the full equipment here that you get with the multi-tool kit. It is the edger blade, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and the power unit here. It also comes with a 5 amp battery, rapid charger, and the tri-blade for brush cutting. I must say, I have been sent this free of charge from Ego themselves, simply just to show it you guys. So it holds no reflection on what I say about the tools at any one time, but I do need to let you know that I have been sent it. With that, I would say that this is going to soon be the older model. They are releasing the new model, as for those that went to the Soltex event, which is one of the UK's sort of biggest events for manufacturers to show their new equipment. They are bringing out a new one in early next year, 2023. Reasons why this might be of use to you though, this sort of video, is just so you can see what you get in the box if you're going to buy the older versions from a price point of view, or that you just may prefer how these ones look or use or whatever else. So this is not a full review on it, it is just simply showing you what comes in the multi-tool kit. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.